Come. Drink first this one. Pinapainom ko ng tubig na may sugar kasi nagsuka siya. It's sweet? It's sweet. It's okay. It's good for vomiting. What is your head that you didn't know here?
I think it's over there at the couch. I think.
Sleep like that, okay? Yeah, go back to your sleeping. Yeah. Namaste. Good morning po. Napuyat si Mami Laura. Kasi itong bunso ko suka-suka kagabi. Nabigla akong napaisip kasi diba may bagong virus ngayon. Hindi ako nakatulog guys kasi ganyan siya. Ang rason ko kasi kumain siya ng ito yung strawberry. Hinugasan ko naman na mabuti. Baka sabi ko hindi natunawan. And then 2 beses kasi siya nagganyan na ang kahapon. Sabi ko baka na lamigan lang, ganun ang reason ko. Tapos kinagabihan ng around 1:30, bumangon, nag-ano siya, nagganyan. Thank God, brand out siya. Yung okay naman na siya ngayon, tinatanong kung okay siya. Nag-alala ako kasi di ba may bagong virus bagong virus kasi ngayon na yung cause sa vomiting ba at saka yung diarrhea. Pasensya sa kumakain. Kaya nag-alala ako kagabi. Pero thank God, okay naman na siya ngayon. So anyway, magluluto ako ngayon ng fried rice. So ayan ang kakainin namin ay breakfast namin. So ayan, luto-luto tayo. Brown out guys. Ito, open natin ito. Nakapadyama pa rin kami. Give me the meatloaf. You want meatloaf on it? And the makeup in it. Ito tayo. Filipino breakfast tayo ngayon. Ang anak ko talaga guys. Sanay pa sila. Linis. Ito. Ihalo na lang natin yung fried rice sa meatloaf. Tapos lagyan natin ng eggs. Okay na. Solve na ang breakfast. Fried rice namin. Yan lang siya. Tapos na. Kain na po kami. Kain po tayo guys. Breakfast. Yan lang.
He sits in the bed. I drank in the morning, but when Daddy left.
That's why. Not today, Dad.
Then how would I survive if? Then how would I survive if I'm being if I don't
You will be okay. Well, yesterday you take what rice here in this part?
Yeah.
No, I'm just asking. You can use. Breakfast po tayo guys. Hindi ako makita. Ito tayo ng breakfast. Fried rice with eggs, scrambled eggs. Saka meatloaf.
So,
iinom pa ako ng warm water.
So the drinking water makes me throw up.
Maybe hala to, we will put again jacket. Look, I told you. You wash your hands?
And I washed my hands.
From now on, you always wash your hands. Ubus. Naubos ang aming fried
I
rice.
don't know. POV, your Asian mom. She calls your name and you answer her, but she doesn't answer you back. You call her name again, but she's not the one answering now. Based on a true experience.
Hello. Pupunta ako doon sa market. Gawa ako ng sandwich ng nanay. Si nanay, alam niyo yun guys, yung yung nandyan sa daan. You found?
Why should I be the one just doing?
Kasi nakita ko, the old woman is here. She's sitting there.
I will go there.
And then I will go to market pass by. I will give her a sandwich.
If I was mommy, where would I put that?
I check it. I don't know where is it. I don't know. So, ang gagawin natin ay labne. Ayan yan ang jumbo kasi hindi siya kumakain. Kasi
Don't give her that one. She's don't eat.
I know, I remember. I hope she's still there. Naglakad kasi kami ng mga aso.
And then you told her to stay there.
Yeah, but I hope she did not, hindi siya umalis. Hintayin mo ako kasi that time, sabi ko, lag ka dito. Ngayon na umaraw, andito siya. Nagbibigyan natin ulit siya ng sandwich. Kasi kawawa, baka hindi pa yun kumain. Anong ilagay ko dito? Cucumber. Sata na lang yung iba. Kasi last time gusto niya ng satar. Kaya satar na lang ibigay natin. Sana andun pa siya. Dan kasi ako sa market guys. Madaanan ko siya. So, gawin natin ng sandwich niya. Kasi kawawa. Naawa ako kay nanay. Hindi ko nadadalhin tong camera guys. Kasi magpaspas ako. Bili ako ng kamote. Ay bibili ako ng food namin. Ganyan, ganito na lang. Food namin sa lunch. Ewan ko, iniisip ko.
Didn't you went to the bathroom last night?
Ano, yeah.
You should put it here. But you went to the bathroom last night. You were like, you should see your face.
What I will get from
You hate her, and you were like, and you put the camera, and then you went to the bathroom.
Pikon na lang. Yes, pikon. She can eat my
Huh?
pikon. Ay, the cheese.
Not.
Basta wag lang daw jumbo. Yung mga matadela. Yung pork kasi nga Muslim siya. Hindi ko naman
We
alam.
didn't put the dirty clothes.
Check it, mommy. I don't know where I put the jati. I had my memory.
You don't know that you went to the toilet yesterday?
But I did not put in the toilet. Iyala, tara samahan niyo ako. Hindi ko na dadalhin yung camera. Kasi paspas ako. Daan ako sa market namin. Daan ako sa market. Okay guys, kita-kits mamaya. Tignan ko kung anong bibilhin ko. matanda na ano, yung last time na nadaanan namin. Yun, doon ako pupunta. Bibigyan natin siya ng prutas. Ano kayang prutas? Apple. Bibigyan natin siya ng apple. Let's go guys. Okay, kita-kits guys. Pagbalik ko. Puntahan ko lang si nanay. Yes. Look guys, andito na ako sa bahay. Itong bunso ko, natulog siya. Hindi siya okay. Kaya pakainin ulit natin ng patataan. Bibili ako ng gamot niya na pangsuka. Nagsusuka siya guys. She came here, Mila. Look, yung si Mila guys, binigyan niya. Kaya tignan din natin. Buksan mo na anak.
Open it.
We will visit her one day kami na.
One day.
Yeah, one day. One day before school. She's good, this girl. She's lovely. Yalla, open and check it.
Thank you, Mila.
Thank you daw, Mila. Thank you, Mila. Yalla, open.
Oh, it's heavy.
It's a toys, I think.
Hello, did you put chest into its chest?
What is that? Wow, chocolate. It's silk.
Chocolate. It's right it's
Pillows. What is
I
that?
think it's like a spoon. No,
Open it.
definitely heavy.
Wow, what is that? Wow, what is that?
Marbles. Hey, the marbles. Mommy, when we went up Monique, they were playing it.
But what is this? How to play? Hala, we will see the police. We will see the
Pillows.
pillows, police. Yala, open, mama.
Thank you, Mila.
Thank you daw, Mila. Thank you, Mila.
How do you know this?
Hello po. Kararating ko lang galing ako sa market. Ayun, bumili ako ng ito, kakainin namin ngayong araw. Basela. Tapos, yun lang. Butter ang binili ko. Tapos kamote. Para, sa bilo-bilo namin ni Sis Lisel. Okay, guys. Magluto lang ako. Magluto na po tayo. Luto-luto time po. Okay, nilagay ko na yung garlic. Igisa ko lang. Ito yung gamit ko, frozen na beans. Ay, na peas, green peas. Tara, samahan niya ako magbuha ng kamote. Talbos ng kamote, dalhin natin sa bahay ni Sis Lisel. Magtalbos kami dun, ay kami, salad. Pwede pa ito? Na pisi-pisi lang naman. Ugasan na lang natin mamaya. Tapos ready na bukas. Napisi-pili silang kasi umulan siya ng malakas. Kaya pwede pa yan. Pagtyagaan. Baboy. Yan, alala ko na. Let's go. May konti guys, pagtyagaan. Okay, let's go. Kain na po kami. Ito ang lunch ni Kian guys. Pakainin natin siya ng laban and rice. Laban o rice. Ayaw niya ng potato. So, laban and rice. Recommended ito pag yung mga bata nagsusuka dito sa Lebanon. Either rice, laban, ito yung milk or potato. So, pakainin natin. Pinainom ko na siya ng gamot. Sige, pakainin ko siya. Ay, naglalaro sila. You okay now? You feel cold? Bad cold?
My back is paining because I'm doing like this.
If you would, lay down siya ganit mama ko.
Okay.
Bad siya you play again. Yan na ta. I cover you.
Okay.
Yan na ta.
Can you turn off the light?
Yes, I will turn off. Mag-alaga tayo ng bata. But you want to put the inside?
Yeah, I need to put the first.
إذا هل أنت مستعدة؟ شكرا لكم يا رفاق. أخيرا
Try to sleep. Napakain ko na siya. I will go walk the dog. I had the plastic here if you want to bomb it. But don't think you want to bomb it only. Okay? You want more cover?
This is
Yung manood ka. Ayan, palakarin ko yung mga aso guys. Kasi may araw maganda para sa kanila maglabas din sa araw. Okay, bantayan mo yung kapatid mo ha. Watch your brother, okay?
of course, as a big sister.
Yan. Hello, but I will buy you yogurt. I don't want in
Chocolate yogurt.
no, it's not chocolate. That's the one, plain one.
Plain one?
You like it?
هيدا كمان the plain. هذا
Laban and rice.
That's what Nila said. How is Kieran so good at this game? You just don't use your head.
You're playing on it? Don't play that on labat sir, huh?
Kian won.
You
wanna do against me, mommy?
I will go by try to the dog. Yan na po tayo da.
To the dog.
I need to put the dog. Ay, mag-walk na naman tayo ng dog. Ayun, okay. Medyo okay na siya. Ay, naglalaro sila. You okay now? You feel cold? Bad cold?
My back is paining because I'm doing like this.
If you would, lay down siya ganit mama ko.
Okay.
Bad siya you play again. Yan na ta. I cover you.
Okay.
Yan na ta.
Can you turn off the light?
Yes, I will turn off. Mag-alaga tayo ng bata. But you want to put the inside?
Yeah, I need to put the first.
إذا هل أنت مستعدة؟ شكرا لكم يا رفاق. أخيرا
Try to sleep. Napakain ko na siya. I will go walk the dog. I had the plastic here if you want to bomb it. But don't think you want to bomb it only. Okay? You want more cover?
This is
Yung manood ka. Ayan, palakarin ko yung mga aso guys. Kasi may araw maganda para sa kanila maglabas din sa araw. Okay, bantayan mo yung kapatid mo ha. Watch your brother, okay?
of course, as a big sister.
Yan.